In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva. Open your browser and start by searching for Canva. You're looking for the official site, which should appear at the top of your results. Click the correct link to load the Canva homepage. If you already have an account, log in using your usual method. If not, you can quickly sign in with an email or a single sign-on provider so you can save your work as you go. On the home page, use the search bar and type the word logo. This opens up a huge library of professionally designed templates, tens of thousands of them, so you don't have to start from a blank page. Use the filters to narrow the results by industry, like bakery or tech, or by styles, such as minimalist or vintage. Take a moment to preview a few options and pick a template that reflects the personality of your brand and will scale well in different sizes. If you'd rather start clean, click Create a design and choose Logo. This gives you a standard 500 by 500 pixel workspace, which is great for most digital uses and quick mockups. You can zoom in or out for precision while you work. Now customize the text. Double-click any existing name or initials on the template to replace them with your brand name. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font, adjust the size, and tweak the color. Keep legibility in mind. Bold, simple fonts tend to reproduce better across screens and print. If you want a circular layout, open Effects and apply Curve to wrap your text neatly around an icon or badge. Next, head to the Elements tab. Search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that fit your concept, then drag and drop them onto your canvas. Resize and rotate as needed. Use the position controls to layer items. For example, send a background shape to the back so your text sits cleanly on top. Aim for balance and clear spacing so the logo looks polished at small sizes. To match your existing brand colors, open the color picker and enter specific hex codes. This ensures your logo stays consistent with your website, packaging, or social profiles. When you're ready to export, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG for crisp quality and sharp edges. If you want to remove any white or colored background, check Transparent Background. Keep in mind, this particular export option is available with Canva's Pro plan. Finally, click Download and save your new logo to your device. And that's it. Your logo is ready to use across your digital platforms.